Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we delve into the latest buzz surrounding Garmin's highly anticipated Fenix 8 Pro lineup. If you've been keeping an eye on the smartwatch market, you know Garmin is a name synonymous with innovation and durability. With leaks and rumors pointing to groundbreaking advancements, the Fenix 8 Pro series could be set to redefine wearable technology. Garmin's Fenix 8 lineup has already made waves with its standard and solar models. Features like diving support and a built-in voice assistant signaled a major leap forward for the brands. Connect have hinted at not one, but three new models: Fenix 8 Pro 47mm, Fenix 8 Pro 51mm, Fenix 8 Micro LED version. The Pro models are expected to cater to different wrist sizes, with 47mm and 51mm options. Beyond size, these watches are rumored to pack upgraded internals, enhanced battery performance, and next-level fitness tracking. For outdoor adventurers and fitness enthusiasts, solar charging capabilities could remain a standout feature, ensuring the watch performs even in the most remote locations. Imagine a display that's brighter, more energy efficient, and designed to eliminate burn-in issues. If Garmin pulls this off, it could leapfrog current AMOLED displays seen in competitors' devices. The micro LED model might even become a must-have for outdoor adventurers who demand clarity and reliability under direct sunlight. Micro LED technology isn't just a buzzword, it's a potential game changer. Promising superior brightness and energy efficiency, this display tech could make Garmin's new models the best outdoor smartwatches of 2024. The standard Fenix 8 starts at $1,100, so we can expect the Pro and Micro LED versions to command a premium. Industry insiders suggest a launch event could be on the horizon, possibly aligning with a major tech showcase. Garmin Fenix 8 Pro leaks Micro LED smartwatch, Garmin Connect rumors, and Best Rugged Smartwatch 2024. Garmin's focus on ruggedness and functionality sets it apart in a crowded market. While other brands emphasize lifestyle features, Garmin's dedication to durability and advanced tech appeals to a growing audience of fitness and outdoor enthusiasts. If Garmin launches a micro LED smartwatch, it could disrupt the industry. Competitors like Apple, Samsung, and Fitbit may need to accelerate their own innovations to keep pace. This ripple effect could drive faster advancements in wearable tech, benefiting consumers with better options and features. Thanks for tuning in to our deep dive into Garmin's latest innovations. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and stay connected with the latest in tech. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.